In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Udemy account. Udemy is an online learning platform where you can take courses on almost any topic you can think of, from programming and design to marketing, personal development, and so much more. To get started with any of these courses, you first need your own account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the official Udemy website by typing udemy.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct site and not a lookalike. You should see the Udemy logo at the top of the page, along with a search bar and various course categories. Now, look to the top right corner of the home page. You'll see an option labeled Sign Up. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the registration form where you'll create your new account. On the sign-up form, you'll usually be asked for 3 things: your full name, your email address, and a password. Type your name the way you want it to appear on your profile and course certificates. For the email address, use one that you check regularly because Udemy will send you important notifications, receipts, and password reset links there. When creating your password, choose something that's strong and secure. A good password is typically at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple words, personal details, or anything that would be easy for someone else to guess. It's also a good idea not to reuse a password you already use on other websites. Once you've entered your name, email, and password, you may see a checkbox to agree to Udemy's terms of use and privacy policy. Take a moment to quickly review these if you'd like, then check the box to confirm. Next, click the button to complete your sign-up. Udemy may send a confirmation email to the address you provided. If they do, open your email inbox, find the message from Udemy, and click the verification link inside. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. After verification, your Udemy account is ready to use. From here, you can personalize your profile, browse courses, and start learning right away.